My name is Muralimohan. I'm 71 years old, and I was working in Bombay. Then I'm a regular sports person. Play billiards regularly and table tennis with regular walking of 3 kilometers, which we used to cover in 10 minutes. After some time, I found my walk was slowing down. Then I went to the doctor. He told me that due to ortho problem, but I did not take it. I went to my sugar doctor, and but sugar level was normal, so I didn't bother about it. Then there was some twisting in the arm and fingers. That was a creating problem. Even now, one finger is still not okay. Then when I came to Madras, I was told that to consult a Siddha doctor. I went to a Siddha doctor. He gave me some powder and other things, which I was able to appreciate because I couldn't. I did not find any other doctor useful, but this doctor, Siddha doctor, is no longer there. But with him, with the medicine, I was able to stand and walk, etc.